Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of It's Hotel Time. I'm going to show you how I pack from a male's perspective when I go on a trip, but this can be packed like this is pretty much indefinitely if I'd want to, just by carrying a carry-on, either a regular carry-on or this one here I'll explain, and backpack. We'll first start with the bag. This one here is a Travelpro, it's the Crew Versapack, and one nice thing I like about this is it's not a clamshell. It's one big one. It's got this in here, you know, the one big compartment. It's got the top up here to put them. I usually put a pair of flat shoes or something in a bag. I'll show you. And it's got the 4 wheels. Nice thing about this 4-wheel one is the big thing between the 2 and the 4. The 2-wheel generally has about an extra inch of space down here, length. But a 4-wheel one is easier, like on really flat surfaces, like going through the airport. The 2-wheel, you can lean it, and it's better like cobblestone and stuff like that. But this one works as a 4 or a 2. Now, this is a little bit smaller than some carry-on bags, like an inch or 2 each way, just because this should be good in almost all airlines all over the world, this one here. Some that are just a hair bigger will not be. But this is a really good one. Obviously, it has the handle that comes out right here. So, but that's that. Now this one is obviously a big soft one. This is a carry-on too, but this is from Rick Steves, and this is a backpack style. You can carry it just like this, just like a regular, from the handle here, just like a duffel bag type, but it's a carry-on. But on the back, in the zipper part here, there is, you can take them in and out. You can see it's a backpack, and they clip on down here. So you can have this as a backpack so you don't have to carry it or drag it along, which is really handy if you're going over a lot of bumpy areas or you have another bag or something like that. This one is really nice, and it's padded back here, and this can go around your waist to help out. It's got another nice, it's got water bottle holder on there. Got the front pockets here for easy access, just like right here for stuff. And inside here, you got a big pocket on that side. And this one isn't quite a clamshell. It's mostly one compartment, but it is a couple inches over here. So this is a really good one. Now this is the backpack. You can obviously same color from Rick Steves too. And so these two together. Now this one has this open pocket through here, which can work when your bag is up, you know, and this is up, it can slide on here. So you don't have to carry anything. This can just rest on there. But this is a regular backpack. You got the pocket in here, got a drink holder here, pocket here. Inside here, it also has a compartment for laptop. And got a big compartment there, one here, and one big one outside here. There's a lot of compartments in this, which is really nice. Another one I use is this Tomcat. Don't worry about writing all this stuff down. I'll have links to everything down below, if you didn't get a chance. This is a Tomcat. This is an over the shoulder, in front of the chest bag right here. And sometimes this will count as a carry-on. If it is, just shove it in this or this real quick, and you're good to go and take it off. But where this is handy is you're traveling around or you're walking around during the day and you do not want to carry a backpack, but you don't want to carry everything, you can put it in here. Because in here, I can get a lot of different stuff in here. One thing is on my GoPro, if I want the different holder, that can go in there too. But, you know, I'll keep some charger cord, chapstick, and stuff like that right in there, glass cleaner. You know, I can hold a bottle of water in here, and back in the side, tucked in, I can put back here, zipped, you know, back here where it goes against my body, I can put my billfold in here, so I don't have to carry it in my pocket, less chance of pickpockets. So those are the bags I carry for everything like that. Now, how do I pack? I used to do what I call rolls, and I'll show you in a second, and recently I switched to these compression packs. I'm actually going back to rolling. I prefer rolling better, but I still use a couple of these. I use this, I'm going to keep the smaller one here. This was really good for rolling up my underwear and socks. You know, this little bag here was really nice. I could get like 5 or 6 pair of underwear and 4 or 5 pairs of socks in this one here. So this I will keep on using. This I will keep on using. It's for shoe bag. I'll put a couple of the shoes that, whatever my biggest pair is I wear, and the second pair I'll put inside here. And in here, I just put them on the top up there. And the rest of these sizes, I probably won't be using. Maybe I'll use them now and then, but I really prefer rolling my clothes. And talk about rolling. What is rolling? Right here. Now this is a shirt, an underwear, and a pair of socks. This always goes in my backpack in case one of my bags has to get checked in and I'm separating and it gets lost. I always got the clothes on my back, which got a pair of shorts or jeans all the time, and I have another pair of underwear, another pair of shirt and socks here. So I can go a while on that. So that's this. But what is rolling? This is just Velcro right here. Just right there. You roll it up tight, Velcro it, and you're fine. And I have it right here. You just buy this on Amazon, big roll, and you cut it to the size you want. And when they're done, you can store them nice rolled up like that, so you're ready to go. Works out really good doing it that way. What else do I carry? This is a travel router. This is the GL Tech right here. What you can do with this is when you get to a hotel room, you can connect this to the free Wi-Fi. And then everything else can be connected to this. Where that can come in handy is some hotels are a pain in the you-know-what to get on, and some places you have to pay per device. This is your one device, everything else can connect. Plus, I always travel, my other videos, with a Roku or Android TV. This is the Travel Roku. This container is just an old, you can see an old flashlight, about a flashlight little kit. And I never used a kit, so I got this. I just keep it to travel in here. And this always connects right to this, so you never have to connect it or anything, which is really nice. And this I always go in my backpack. This obviously doesn't travel with me, but these here are always in the backpack with, this is a little electronic bag, adapters, chargers, and everything. I keep this in here. What this is, it's a data blocker. One threat you can get is if you have a USB cord on your phone and you plug it into a USB charger, there are devices in there that can go in line and scan your data on your phone. This blocks it. This would be sheerly just for power. So you're worried about security, that's it here. This is a bag I got somewhere. I think I got it with this bag. I don't remember, I think. But it's the legal size for the TSA for your liquids. So I keep all my liquids in here. That doesn't have to be in there, the baby powder, but balm, mouthwash, and this is laundry soap. If you watch my other videos, you'll see, and that's where I use the laundry soap there. This right here is a little tiny, now all this I don't take every time. Everything I showed you I take every time. This I don't take every time, but this folds up. This is actually a small backpack. Folds up into itself. This part that it's in is actually one of the pockets. And this is actually a small backpack, so if you're day packing or you're going out shopping or something, here's a little backpack. You can just throw it in the bag and take it with you, and you're good to go. Toiletry bag. This is mine, I really like. For a while I used this, and then I went to just a big gallon Ziploc baggie. I went back to this here. I just really like it. I've had this one for a long time. I use this one. One thing I like about it is you just unzip it. It has this here where you can just hang this. You can see it there. You can just hang it. You can see how it'll work. That'll just hang right on a door or hook or anything like that. And then on the side here, I keep my toothbrush, razor, and over here just some miscellaneous and everything here. And I use this. It's a little horse brush for shaving cream, because then you don't have to buy shaving cream. Just get some soap, put it in the palm of your hand. I'll show you sometime in another video. Put it in the palm of your hand and you can make your own shaving cream with the soap they give you, or even the liquid soap, and then you never have to worry about buying shaving cream right there. I carry an extra pair of glasses with clip-on sunglasses. This right here is pretty cool. This is actually a phone mount. This right here side hooks onto anything on the back of the chair in front of you, on a plane, or on the seat. It can even clip onto the handle of your luggage if you're sitting and waiting. And this part down here folds 90 and 360 all the way around. And this right here clips on your phone. So it's just a really versatile phone mount that folds up really small, so you can always have your phone in front of you instead of your neck down. This you might have saw in my washing video. This is a little clothesline right here. You can fold this out, you open it up, there's just a string inside, and this part hooks onto one, you hook that onto another part, and you can just hang your clothes up to dry. This, I have another one like this. I don't carry this very much, but if I have room and I'm going to be a place hot and I'm wondering, this is just a little rechargeable fan, and these legs kind of go everywhere like that. Folds up real nice. That'll actually fold up on itself. This here is bigger than most people carry, but I have it. I still use it, and I carry it in my backpack almost always. But it's just a power strip. The nice thing about this power strip, it has 8 plug-ins, and on the side 3 USB and 1 USB-C. So you get a lot of plug-ins right here. And of course the other video you saw, the wash right here, to wash your clothes in a bucket or something like that if you want to do it by hand. That's it. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe it. And if you want to see how we wash the clothes, why I carried that shampoo in that little automatic washer, it's a manual one, and also the other video up there is the one with the little device that I said you can wash in a bucket on the road. Have a good day, everybody. Thanks.